Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and safety so nothing surprises you. Check battery charge or cord integrity and inspect the collet and accessory for cracks, replace if worn. Put on safety glasses, hearing protection, and a dust mask. Install the grinding or cutting bit, then tighten the collet to the recommended snugness, just enough to secure the bit. Once done, spin the wheel by hand to ensure free movement, and position yourself with a stable stance before you activate the tool. You now focus on control and technique so your cuts are precise and safe. Set the grinder speed. Use lower RPM for delicate or thin materials, higher RPM for aggressive metal removal. Hold the right angle head at roughly 10 to 30 degrees to the workpiece and use steady forward strokes. Avoid jammed or twisting motions. Apply light, consistent pressure and make short 2 to 3 second passes to prevent heat buildup. If you need to remove more material, repeat controlled passes rather than forcing a single deep cut. You finish by refining the surface and confirming tool condition to prevent problems later. Use lighter passes to blend edges, then stop and allow the part to cool. Clear dust with a brush or compressed air. Inspect the bit for chips or uneven wear and verify the collet remains tight. If you detect vibration, abnormal noise, burning smell, or smoke, immediately stop, remove power, and inspect the bit, collet, and bearings. Replace any damaged parts before resuming to avoid injury and tool failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.